In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template on a created server on Discord. If you already have a Discord server and you want to give it a completely new structure using a ready-made layout, this process is a simple way to do it. We'll be using the Xenon bot to back up your current server, find a template, and then load that template into the server. Since this process can replace your existing channels and roles, it's important to go carefully and make sure everything is set up correctly before you confirm anything. The first thing you should do is back up your current server. This step is recommended because loading a template can make major changes to the server's layout. If you decide later that you preferred your original setup, a backup gives you a way to restore it. To begin, go to the official Xenon bot website and choose the option to invite the bot to your server. During that setup, make sure the bot is given administrator permissions. That access is necessary so it can properly read your server structure and make the required changes. Once the bot has been added, open any text channel inside your Discord server. In that channel, type the / command to create a backup. After you run the command, Xenon will generate a backup ID. Make sure you save that backup ID somewhere safe and easy to find. That ID is what you would need later if you want to restore the server to how it looked before applying the template. Even if you think you won't need it, it's always smart to keep it just in case. After your backup is complete, the next step is to find a template ID. The template ID is the unique code Xenon uses to identify a specific server layout. To get one, go to the Xenon Templates webpage and browse through the public template catalog. You'll usually find a variety of community-made layouts designed for different purposes, such as gaming servers, creator communities, studios, and other organized server types. Take your time here and choose a layout that fits the style and purpose of your server. When you find a template you want to use, open it and copy its template ID string. Be careful to copy the correct ID exactly as shown, since Xenon will use that code to load the matching layout. It's a good idea to keep that copied ID handy because you'll need to paste it into the next command back inside Discord. Now return to a text channel in the Discord server where you want the template applied. In that channel, enter the template load command and paste in the template ID you copied from the Xenon Templates page. Once the command is ready, press enter to send it. At this point, Xenon will prepare to apply the new layout to your server. Before anything changes, Xenon will send a warning message. This message is important because it lets you know that loading the template will delete your existing channels and roles and replace them with the structure from the template. This is exactly why the backup step matters. If you're sure you want to continue, click the green confirm button in the chat interface. After you confirm, give the bot a few moments to finish the process. Xenon will automatically remove the old channels and roles that need to be replaced, then generate the new server layout based on the template you selected. Depending on the size of the template and your server, this can take a little time, so be patient while everything loads in. Once it finishes, your server should reflect the new categorized structure from the template. That's all it takes to add a template onto an existing Discord server using Xenon. Just remember to always back up first, double-check the template ID, and read the warning before confirming any changes so you can update your server safely and confidently.